Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Iram Safdar and I am your science teacher. How are you, fourth class? I hope you all are fine and feeling good at home and praying for your country that everything will be all right in the future, inshallah. Here is the moral lesson of today: do the right thing even when no one is looking. It means that we should do the right things because Allah is watching you, and whenever we do the wrong thing, Allah is watching you and Allah is present everywhere. So we should keep this thing in our mind and do always right thing. Don't do the wrong things. Okay. As we know that we are studying chapter number 2 these days, that is characteristics and needs of living things. And the topic from this chapter today we are going to study is actually experiment to show the growth in plants. That is actually germination of seeds, that how seeds germinate into a new plant. So the material required for this experiment is fresh seeds of your choice, good quality soil, container to hold the soil and seed, water and sunlight. So here are the 3 containers and they contain all these necessary conditions, that is good quality soil, and container also contain these containers are also placed near sunlight, and we also provide water to them. So now here is the procedure. First of all, fill the container with soil and plant the seed inside it. Place the container at a place where sunlight is available in adequate amount. Keep the soil moist by watering it every day. Record the observation as the seed germinates and seedling begin to sprout from the seeds. Take out one of the plant from the container and measure the length of increase of the plant root and shoot. Here are the 3 containers and we provide them water and sunlight on regular basis. So we after some days we see that the seed will start to germinate, and when after that we will take out the plants from these containers and measure the length of the root and the shoot, and then we record the reading in the following table. So we will note the reading in the following table, that is pot 1, pot 2 and pot 3. So change in root length in pot 1 is 3 centimeter, change in shoot length in pot 1 is 6 centimeter, and total change in length is 6.3, 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9 centimeter. So once again we will measure the length, change in root length in pot 2, that is 3 centimeter once again, change in shoot length 5 centimeter, and total change in length is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 centimeter. In pot 3, similarly change in root length is 3 centimeter, change in shoot length is 8 centimeter, and total change in length is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 centimeter. So this experiment actually proves that the all plants shows growth whenever seedling finds suitable growth condition, it will start to grow in the soil like this. Okay, so here is the homework. You have to learn the experiment to show growth in plants. Okay, and once again keep on praying for your country and for yourself also, and take care once again and keep studying. Okay.